this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your underline in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's type in something first. Okay, let's say let's underline this one first. I'll make it a little larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So let's underline this one over here. So this is the underline. So let's say I want to change the color of this. Simply tap in here and go to this text color and choose any of the options you'd like. Purple, blue, or stuff like that. And yeah, this is how you change the color of the underline. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.